Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shaneill. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So let's get into this review. Alright, so I believe it was back at the end of March, early part of April, I had shared with you guys how I hauled this from Target. This is a foundation from the brand Haley Cosmetics. And this is their Reset Liquid Matte Foundation. Okay, I hauled this one and along with their concealer, I hauled that as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this review, okay? Alright. So I have been wearing this and I picked up the shade 7.15 warm. The shade's a little too dark for me right now, but I'm pretty sure it will work just fine for me during the summertime. So let me just go ahead and put that out there now. Because it's too deep for me right now, I really have not been wearing this by itself. I have been combining it with other foundations. But by itself, it's a pretty good foundation, I will say that. It is matte, pretty good, especially for me because I do have oily skin, and I try to wear stuff that doesn't make me look like a grease ball on a daily basis. Okay? So that's what I have to say about this foundation. So far, so good. I really do like it. Now, I'm going to show you guys which foundations I actually been mixing this with, and the look is just beautiful. So beautiful. Now, in one of my makeup tutorials or videos I did, I combined this one with the Fenty Beauty foundation. Now, I am officially out of my Fenty Beauty foundation. So sad. So sad. But these two together make a beautiful combination. I love how they work together. I love the color combination. I love how it stays on my face. In all honesty, I don't like this foundation, okay, because it makes me look like a grease ball. But it is beautiful, but I cannot wear this as an all-day foundation and be okay with it. But when I combined these two together, this was so nice. It was so pretty. It kept me matte for a longer period of time, and it was beautiful, just beautiful together. So I do like this one and this one to combine with each other. So with this one, I also tried the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, okay? The new one that came out with a little pump, okay? So I combine these two together. Me personally, I don't like these two together because this one is not matte. It's a 24-hour long wear foundation. Basically, that's what it claims. But I don't like this one with this together. That's just my personal preference. I do not like these two together. I do like the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, which I haven't picked up in a while because I don't know why, but I need to pick that one back up because that is my favorite foundation so far from the drugstore. I really do love that one. But these two together, I don't care for them. I don't like, you put them on, it's nice, but then my face gets oily like within an hour. So this is not a good combination. This is not a good combination for myself. But it looks good in pictures and on YouTube, but it's not good for every day for me. So these two combined, it's a no-go. For the next two combinations that I did with this baby right here, which I truly love, I love the combination. I mean, I love it, okay? Okay, I love it. I wear it to work, the combination together. And I get compliments at work because everyone's like, your skin looks so good. Okay, I'm about to tell you why. It's because of these other two foundations and I switch them up all the time. So I combined this foundation right here with the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation. This one right here. So in this shade here, I am in the shade number 23. I combine these two together. This is a matte foundation, and you guys know that this baby here is a matte foundation. I love the combination of both of these together. It's just so beautiful. This is beautiful by itself, but together it's like, yes. So I've been loving these two combinations as well. I love it. Love it a lot. I'm pretty sure you guys are probably wondering what's currently on my face right now, what foundation I'm using, because, you know, girl, I am snatched. Okay, all right, okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So of course I am wearing this foundation right now, and in combination with this foundation. Y'all can say whatever you want about this woman, I don't care, but I love this, okay? And it's gorgeous by itself, even without this one right here. Kat Von D, okay? That was my concealer, it just fell. Alright, so I love mixing this foundation and the Kat Von D foundation together. This is the combination that I currently have on right now, and as you guys can see, it is beautiful. I love it. I love it a lot. It is gorgeous. So in the Kat Von D foundation, I am in the shade Deep 76 Warm, and these two together are just beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. I just love it. And then I noticed when I combine the foundations together, especially Kat Von D and Beauty Bakerie, there's certain concealers that work and certain concealers that don't work. Like this one here from Makeup Revolution. This one works. I'm currently wearing this one right now. There's another concealer. This one here by Makeup Revolution, I do not like this one at all. It doesn't work together with this whole look. This one is a no-go. I do like of course, my ColourPop concealer. This is pretty good. And Beauty Bakerie works pretty good too. Now there's another one, and I don't have it. Let me go get it. Alright you guys, so the other concealer that works great with this, right? By the way, I have never tried this concealer before, but when I was there picking up, I need another face wash. I went to Ulta to pick that up. You know how Ulta has a little thingy, kind of like Sephora, where you know, extra little things you can pick up for like more money. Well, I really wanted to try this, but I never wanted to spend the amount on the full price item. So I picked up the little Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Deep, I believe. Yes, in the shade Deep. This combination of foundation works really good with this. This works good with it, and I like it a lot. Okay? I'm just gonna say it. I like this Tarte concealer. There I go. I said it. I said it. So you guys, I know it's been a while since I purchased this baby, but I want to make sure that I tested it out and I tried it with different combinations of foundations, at least the ones that I have. There is another foundation I want to try it out with, which I have not tried it out yet with, but I will. And the other foundation is this one here from ColourPop. Now, I do not use this foundation from ColourPop since it came out because it is not for my skin type. It is not a oil controlling foundation, but it does look pretty on camera. So this will be the next foundation I combined it with, and I think I'm actually going to put it in May's monthly makeup drawer, which I didn't do one for April, but I did have one. I just didn't do one for April. But yeah, I think I'm going to add this and this together in my monthly makeup drawer for the month of May. Alright, so once again, I know this has been a long time coming, but I wanted to make sure that I used this product with other things and I combined them and I tested it out more than one time to give you guys my true reactions and my true review on the products that I have, that and to combine them to see, well, you know, what it works well with and what it doesn't work well with. Now, I do not have a whole entire stash of foundation, but I am willing to try more. It's just like right now, there's a lot of stuff going on right now, and some other things I have not yet mentioned to you guys, but you guys will find out soon. But yeah, so that is all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on the Haley Cosmetics foundation that you can find at Target. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye!